1 minute skate park guide, Prahran, Melbourne.
Welcome to Prahran Skatepark, the third iteration of this iconic city skate park. This spot has a rich history in Melbourne, appearing in numerous videos and hosting many competitions over the years. Recently, it underwent a complete rebuild, making it better than ever. So let's dive into this new Prahran Skatepark guide. Let's start with the vert ramp. Nick, take it away.
Okay, welcome to Prahran Vert Ramp, version 3.0. It's roughly about 14 foot tall. It's completely different to the other two ramps that were here previously. The first ramp was roughly 10 foot, 11 foot. Smaller transition, smaller flat, pretty bumpy. Then the next ramp was a bit tight, 14 foot as well. I found it a bit hard to skate. I thought it had too much vert. But this one here feels like the vert's perfect. The coping feels nice on it. The flat feels nice on it. Yeah, I'm enjoying this one. And there's one more thing I want to show you. Check this. Big roll-in. Not many vert ramps have this, so version 2.0 had it. It was a little bit big for me to go in off, but this one, I'm giving it a go. You ready?
See you, Nick.
Bye.
Foot? That's 5 foot. 5. Yeah. So that's an extra 5 foot. This is very scary. Here we go.
Woo! Yeah, buddy!
And we just got the mini ramp down here, which is 4 foot, and it's nice and wide. It's a good little mini ramp.
The skate park also features a great mini ramp, perfect for learning. It's not the widest, but it's good enough, and around 4 feet high with decent coping. Now onto the main section, the plaza-style skate park. This area has elements paying tribute to the former skate park. We'll begin at the quarter pipe by the pool. This new quarter pipe, a homage to the old one, stands about 3 foot high. It's almost a half bowl, with steep ends transitioning into a ledge. Next, we have a simple yet nice long ledge. Adjacent to it is a rail over a recessed concrete section, perfect for grinds and tricks. The rail even has a light emitting from underneath it. Beside it is a big box with a 45-degree wedge bank. On top of the box is a 45-degree angle ledge. Very fun but dangerous and unforgiving, with many notable skaters having been taken out by this ledge. The box also has a really nice rail at the perfect height, and it launches you nicely on top of it. It also includes a skinny quarter pipe. It's very unique and has a transition that goes straight into curve, which takes some time to master. Next is a quarter pipe with an up and down design, perfect for launching from either the front or back face. It's lots of fun and great for grinds and airs too. Adjacent to it is a little marble ledge with both straight and curved sides, plus an angled side on the back for added fun. Up at the commercial road end, there's a wedge with a ledge on top, paying tribute to the old ledge that inline skaters would grind every Thursday night. Still on the commercial road side, there's another rail that's nice and low and great for tricks. Another long ledge that slides beautifully, and also an out ledge in between the two. A nearby quarter pipe provides ample speed for these features, and a curved quarter pipe, always fun for grinding around. On the basketball side, you'll find the old rail from the previous skate park, repurposed here with a nice ledge beside it. There's also a technical section with a small canyon gap and ledges on both sides. Then we have another canyon jump with a big marble ball, another technical centerpiece for the skate park. Alongside this is a curb with metal edging. It's really long and perfect for grinding. Then, in the centre of the park, there's a platform with a shade roof featuring coloured glass, adding a unique touch. Get your Robbie Pitts on here. There are two beautiful down rails of perfect height and length, with a nice ledge sandwiched in between the two. They had a mammoth task of rebuilding the skate park with the pressure to live up to the legend of Prahran. I must say, they've done a fantastic job, and I believe Melbourne now boasts the best in the city skate park with this addition. And one more thing to note about this skate park is they have amazing lights that turn on every night. They've got the big floodlights, and they also have lights that are underneath the rails.
Lights on off at 9:27-ish, pretty much 9:27. But the underlights come on at about like 9:10, and then it's lights out and then just underlights.
Good. How many beers?
I gave it 5.5, just because the mini ramp's too small.
It's got everything, and it's made really well, and it's under lights. It's a 6.
I'll give it a 9.76.
5 out of 6 pack. That makes sense.
And I give it 6 because it's got everything. And like Chris said, it's got lights. That gives it 1 point already. It's got rails. It's got steep rails downstairs. It's got ledges. It's got quarter pipes. It's got a mini. It's got a vert ramp. It's got a drop in on the vert ramp. It's got a water fountain. It's got toilets, and it's got a basketball court.